What is up, guys? Today I'll be talking about the new DJI Mavic Air. DJI announced a new drone on the market today at an event in New York. That new drone is called the DJI Mavic Air. The DJI Mavic Air costs $799. That price is just between the cost of a Mavic Pro and a DJI Spark. The DJI Air is definitely a combination of the Mavic Pro and the Spark just by looking at it. From the front it looked like a DJI Spark, and from the top it looked like a DJI Mavic Pro. The DJI Mavic Air shoots 4K footage at 30 frames per second and shoots 1080p at 120 frames per second. So you should get some crispy footage in slow motion of this drone. With all those good features, the DJI Mavic Air also comes with a flight time of 21 minutes. Like always, DJI gave a lot of YouTubers the Mavic Air before it was announced to the public. DJI, if you are watching this, I hope one day you will send me a drone so I can review it. Someday, I hope. With all that said, the DJI Mavic Air goes on sale January the 28th. That's it for this video, guys. Thank you guys for watching.